Hi everybody, in this video I'll show you the procedure on how to change phone number on your DoorDash. To change phone number in DoorDash, you simply want to make sure to watch this video right till the end. So what you have to do is to change your phone number on DoorDash, you'll need to navigate to your account. You could do this with the help of your mobile device as well. I'm using a browser version, so you want to type in DoorDash.com and log in. After which you simply want to go to the account section in the bottom left hand side corner. As you do it, so scroll down and go to the account sections. While you are taken to the account section, you could see all of these info, right? Click on manage account in the top of the page. Once you do it, so then you'll be able to see this section. But what you have to do is here you have the phone number. Unfortunately, I've not verified it yet, so the update option isn't available. So first thing, you have to verify your current phone number. Then you'll be able to find this update option, which will help you to change the phone number. Just simply click on update and you might be asked to type in the PIN or maybe verify it, and after which you'll have successfully added or changed phone number in your DoorDash account. So that is how it's done. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.